Tesla and Elon Musk have just unveiled a game-changing upgrade for the Optimus robot, one so powerful it's forcing the world to seriously ask, are we getting too close to the line between robots and humans? This is no longer a joke. Optimus has evolved into what Elon Musk calls the biggest product in human history. But the real question is, are we ready for what it brings? Before we begin, please help us reach 4,400 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Model Q, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Why is Tesla selling the Optimus Bot to its employees first?
We will offer Optimus robots first to Tesla employees. There are some pluses and minuses to that, because it's probably have a few bugs, but it's going to be very cool.
Elon Musk has stated that Tesla employees will be the first to use the Optimus robot. One day, these robots could function much like R2-D2 and C-3PO in Star Wars. It is easy to understand why Tesla is prioritizing internal deployment. The goal is not only to test the product in real-world working conditions that no laboratory can fully replicate, but also to accelerate its learning curve in a highly dynamic environment. At the Fremont factory, where over 20,000 workers perform thousands of repetitive tasks every shift, Optimus has a valuable opportunity to observe, learn, and adapt. During Investor Day 2023, Elon Musk confirmed, "We have Optimus robots working inside our factories doing tasks fully autonomously." 2 Optimus units have been assigned to handle parts transportation, sorting, and packaging. These are tasks that require coordination between computer vision, navigation, and object manipulation. Deploying the robots across different scenarios within the factory also allows Tesla to gather rich and diverse operational data to better evaluate the robot's performance and limitations. This level of real-world deployment is something that few robotics companies have achieved, including Figure AI and Boston Dynamics, whose robots are still mostly in the demonstration or supervised testing stages. Tesla's long-term ambition goes beyond building a humanoid robot. The company aims to establish a fully automated production line where robots can build other robots. As Musk has stated, our goal is to produce millions of units, and eventually the price will be less than $20,000. If one robot can replace a human worker whose labor costs average $30,000 to $40,000 per year in Tesla's U.S. factories, and if the internal manufacturing cost of each Optimus can be brought down below $20,000, the robot could achieve return on investment in just 6 to 8 months. This presents an almost ideal ROI model for manufacturing, especially if production scales up to hundreds of thousands of units per year as Tesla envisions. Internal testing also helps Tesla fine-tune maintenance costs and component durability, enabling iterative design improvements to maximize long-term reliability and performance. Musk is also smart enough not to rush the product to market. Instead of a mass-market launch, Tesla is allowing employees, many of whom are software engineers, AI specialists, or operations managers, to use Optimus first. This provides Tesla with highly detailed real-world feedback from technically savvy users. These employees will use the robot daily in their work, offering insights into task accuracy, environmental response, and user interaction. It is also a chance to test human-robot collaboration, including gesture and voice commands, as well as unexpected situations such as pathway obstructions, falling objects, or sudden changes in workflow. Humanoid robots come with inherent risks such as falls, collisions, and software bugs. Any of these issues could trigger public backlash or lawsuits. Tesla has faced criticism for accidents involving autopilot and is understandably cautious about repeating those mistakes with Optimus. Keeping usage internal allows the company to closely monitor and manage any incidents, issue software updates, and even recall units if needed. It also lets Tesla trial unfinished or experimental features without exposing them to the public. As Musk noted too, testing in the real world is critical, but it has to be safe and controlled. Limiting trials to internal use is the safest way to contain risks while maintaining the freedom to iterate quickly and discreetly. A major reason internal testing is critical is to refine safety protocols for human-robot collaboration. Optimus will be assigned repetitive or hazardous tasks, such as lifting heavy loads or operating in toxic environments. In a controlled factory setting, Tesla can adjust key safety features like force limits, proximity detection, and emergency stop sensors. These safeguards are essential for public deployment, where safety standards are even stricter. Allowing Tesla employees to work alongside Optimus also carries long-term strategic value. It helps train humans to interact with robots and allows Tesla to improve user interfaces, develop more intuitive command systems, and determine whether the robot fits into the existing workflow. If successful, this will pave the way for broader deployment across Tesla's global production lines and eventually for use by other companies. Tesla also needs to prove that Optimus can operate reliably for thousands of hours, which is the expected lifespan of an industrial machine. Continuous operation in a factory environment, such as 8 to 12 hours a day for 6 to 7 days a week, will reveal limitations in hardware, software, thermal management, and other design vulnerabilities. This feedback is invaluable for improving materials, optimizing component choices, and preparing for full-scale production. Tesla is well known for using controlled scarcity to drive media buzz. Allowing employees to use or even own Optimus creates organic visibility. Robots will appear in offices, factories, or casually show up in social media videos. This mirrors the successful rollout of Cybertruck, where leaked footage of prototypes on public roads generated massive online traction. Once Optimus is seen performing real work inside Tesla, it will help validate the product's feasibility and inspire confidence among potential buyers. Building a community of internal early users also creates a powerful form of authentic marketing through real people using real products in real environments. In addition to the Cybercab, Tesla's Optimus Bot is expected to play a critical role in the production lines of other high-volume vehicles, such as the Model 2, Model Y, and Cybertruck, all of which involve numerous labor-intensive assembly tasks. Tesla plans to produce at least 5 million units of the Model 2 annually starting in 2027, and that number could grow if global demand continues to rise. Under current automation levels, many steps in the assembly process, such as circuit board mounting, cable inspection, windshield installation, and component sorting, still require tens of thousands of manual laborers. Elon Musk has stated that the goal is to deploy hundreds of thousands of Optimus robots across Tesla's global gigafactory network by 2030, beginning with over 1,000 internally built units by the end of 2025. If each Optimus robot can replace 2 to 3 shifts of labor, equivalent to around 6 to 9 human workers per day, then just 10,000 robots could offset millions of labor hours per year. It's estimated that a large-scale rollout of Optimus could save Tesla $2 to $3 billion in annual labor costs, while significantly boosting profit margins, a crucial factor as the company aims to cut vehicle prices to just 50% of today's Model 3. In an ideal scenario, by 2032, Optimus could be responsible for 30 to 40% of all production work across Tesla's factories. Once again, please help us reach 4,400 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. How close is Tesla to mass-producing an army of Optimus bots? Tesla is significantly accelerating the development program of its humanoid robot Optimus, with an internal goal of producing 10,000 units as early as 2025. This is a clear indication that the company is making a major bet on scaling its robotics product line. Although Elon Musk acknowledges this is an ambitious target, even delivering a few thousand units would mark a groundbreaking milestone. Currently, the Fremont factory is being prepared for limited-scale production, with the first batch of around 1,000 robots expected to be built in Q2 2025, followed by a rapid ramp-up to 10,000 units by year-end. This phased approach closely mirrors the strategy Tesla used in the automotive sector, where production bottlenecks are resolved step by step to enable exponential growth. Despite facing fierce competition from China, where companies like Fourier Intelligence, UB Tech, and Xiaomi Robotics are rapidly developing humanoid robots with strong government support, Tesla Optimus still holds the potential to dominate the projected $10 trillion robotics market. This growth potential stems from Tesla's superior vertical integration across system design, actuator manufacturing, battery technology, and AI training, all developed in-house. Optimus even shares multiple core technologies with Tesla's self-driving vehicles such as sensors and processing chips, significantly lowering component costs. Elon Musk has confirmed that Optimus's Gen 3 production line is being designed to reach a capacity of up to 100,000 robots per month by 2026, showing strong confidence in the long-term viability of the humanoid robot market. What's particularly notable is that, unlike many of Tesla's previous projects such as the delayed Tesla Roadster, the Optimus program is progressing at a pace that far exceeds expectations. This is largely due to the fact that Optimus does not require an entirely new supply chain. Instead, it benefits from existing partnerships in semiconductors and battery cells, along with factory systems already restructured for Cybertruck production. Tesla is now actively testing Optimus prototypes at its factories, where the robots are performing basic logistical tasks like picking up parts and monitoring production lines. Tesla's key advantage lies in its massive real-world dataset collected from over 5 million vehicles on the road. Originally used to train the full self-driving system, this dataset is now being adapted for use in Optimus's navigation and environmental recognition algorithms. This symbiotic relationship between EVs and robotics allows Tesla to shorten development timelines and rapidly enhance Optimus's AI capabilities. Tesla plans to deploy Gen 3 Optimus robots across a wide range of industries, including automating repetitive tasks like parts sorting, quality inspections, patient assistance in healthcare, warehouse organization and retail, and even domestic applications such as cooking, cleaning, and childcare. These use cases are now entering their final testing phase before mass production and market launch in 2025. Tesla has even outlined plans to use Optimus for constructing habitats on Mars, with a variant built with sealed joints and radiation-hardened electronics developed by SpaceX. While there are no clear signs that Optimus will be available for general consumer purchase in the short term, nearly 1,000 robots have already been deployed at Tesla factories to assist with production and data collection. This number is expected to grow rapidly. Elon Musk believes the robot-to-human ratio on factory floors could reach at least 3-to-1 or even 5-to-1, meaning 3 to 5 robots assisting every human worker. In his boldest forecast, Musk has suggested that Tesla could eventually produce up to 100 million Optimus units per year, with the expectation that robotics could become the company's main revenue stream. While that figure may seem far-fetched, it is economically plausible. If Tesla reaches a production rate of 1 million Optimus units annually and maintains a retail price of around $220,000 per unit, it could generate $20 billion in yearly revenue. More importantly, if Tesla succeeds in lowering the production cost to just $10,000 per robot, thanks to economies of scale and integrated manufacturing, Optimus could be sold to the mass market for as little as $19,999. Why does Elon Musk see Optimus as an immediate need? Elon Musk views the development of Optimus as an immediate necessity for Tesla, primarily to address the challenges in scaling efficient and consistent labor within its manufacturing operations. This is especially critical as Tesla gears up for the mass production of the upcoming Cybercab, aiming for an annual output of 2 million units by 2026. Musk has highlighted that many tasks within Tesla's gigafactories are surprisingly difficult to automate. For instance, during an interview with Marques Brownlee, he noted that simple tasks like connecting 2 cables, which take a human a second or two, are disproportionately challenging and costly to replicate with conventional automation.
I mean, I think we'll be making tens of millions of robots a year type of thing. It's like serious volume. Maybe 100 million robots a year.
Elon Musk is preparing to launch an unprecedented robotics company. This ambition, aiming to produce up to 100 million humanoid robots annually 10 times Tesla's current global car production, signals a bold step towards a robotic industrial revolution. What is Elon Musk's plan for the new robotics company? Before we begin, please help us reach 4,500 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Bot Gen 3, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Why is Optimus more important than electric cars? Currently, Tesla is still considered an electric car manufacturer, but that definition won't last long. Tesla is transforming into a technology company, and soon enough, into a robot company. Why is that? Because Optimus could be Tesla's most valuable product. Elon has even said that it could be worth more than all of Tesla's other products combined.
This is a super big deal. Like my prediction is that, on this front, is that Optimus will be the biggest product of all time by far. Nothing will even be close. I think it'll be 10 times bigger than the next biggest product ever made.
We think in the long term with Optimus and self-driving cars, Tesla could well be the most valuable company in the world. Of course, the Tesla bot and even Elon Musk himself are really just holding the lock. The customers are the ones holding the key. If Optimus isn't smart enough or capable enough to actually help people, then that $20,000 price tag is just for an expensive toy that can move around. No one's going to pay for it. But if the opposite happens, if the Tesla bot really does have a breakthrough brain, the kind that Elon Musk confidently calls a real brain that's superior to anything else out there, then the story completely changes. People will be lining up to get one when its usefulness starts to translate into real money. You'll drop $20,000 up front, but you'll never have to hire a store clerk, tutor, or cleaning lady again. Suddenly, Optimus isn't just an expensive toy, but a money-printing machine. And yeah, if you like making money, you've got to have an Optimus.
Because I think everyone, of the 8 billion people of Earth, I think everyone's going to want their Optimus buddy.
Optimus possesses an exceptional ability to learn rapidly, enabling it to store and apply data from the very first execution of a task. For instance, in cooking, while humans need to practice and memorize steps multiple times, Optimus can remember and apply a recipe immediately without the need for recall. This capability is powered by Tesla's advanced AI technologies, including machine learning and deep learning, allowing Optimus to autonomously optimize its actions. Elon Musk has expressed confidence that Optimus can learn new tasks simply by watching videos, enabling the robot to acquire new skills without requiring retraining after purchase. This provides a significant advantage to users, as they don't need to teach the robot anew for each task, a process that can be time-consuming with other robots. However, one of the most impressive aspects of Optimus is its hand. Elon Musk has stated that the development of Optimus's hand accounted for nearly $9,000 of the robot's total development cost.
Our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow.
This is because Optimus's hand features 22 degrees of freedom, allowing the robot to perform delicate and complex manipulations similar to a human hand. With only 5 fewer degrees of freedom than the human hand, which has 27, Optimus can execute tasks requiring fine motor skills, such as picking up objects, turning knobs, grasping items, and performing intricate operations that many other robots are currently unable to achieve. This advanced dexterity brings Optimus closer to human-like functionality in various applications.
And your dexterity is actually better if your fingers are of different length. Like, there's a reason we've got a little finger. Like, why not have a little finger that's bigger? Because it allows you to do it helps you with fine motor skills.
What sets Optimus apart is that it's not merely a conventional automation robot. It's designed as an intelligent assistant to help with daily human tasks. Optimus can perform household chores, care for the elderly, walk dogs, and even tutor children. This reflects Elon Musk's vision of transforming Tesla from solely an electric vehicle company into a robotics enterprise, where Optimus serves as a helpful assistant, liberating humans from manual labor and creating new opportunities in automation. Although Optimus initially exhibited somewhat unsteady movements, recent updates have significantly enhanced its mobility, resulting in straighter walking and reduced wobbling. Each step Optimus takes is governed by an AI neural network, allowing the robot to adjust its gait based on the terrain, much like humans do when navigating uneven surfaces. This not only demonstrates the intelligence of its AI, but also indicates that Optimus can operate in complex and challenging environments, a feat that many other robots have yet to achieve.
Optimus, I think, is a 25. literally $25 trillion market cap situation.
Recognizing the immense profit potential, Elon Musk, known for pursuing groundbreaking opportunities, is fully committed to realizing Optimus Gen 3. He predicts that Optimus could generate over $10 trillion in long-term revenue, surpassing Tesla's current automotive business. Tesla aims to produce 10,000 to 12,000 robots in 2025 and scale up to 1 million units annually by 2027. Once again, please help us reach 4,500 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. How is Tesla becoming a robotics company? Optimus is not merely a robotic product. It represents a strategic turning point that could reshape Tesla's entire future. While electric vehicles have laid the foundation for Tesla to become the world's most valuable automaker, Optimus holds the potential to unlock a market many times larger, the humanoid robot market, capable of replacing a significant portion of manual labor in factories, logistics, services, and even daily life. Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that Optimus will surpass electric vehicles in importance. He stated, "Optimus will ultimately be worth more than the car business, worth more than FSD." This is not an extravagant claim, but reflects Musk's confidence in the robot's potential, as Tesla is targeting a $10 trillion market, larger than the entire global automotive industry combined. While the electric vehicle sector is projected to reach around 1.5 to 2 trillion by 2030, the humanoid robot market could expand into various fields, including industry, healthcare, agriculture, and home applications. Unlike electric vehicles, Optimus can be mass-produced at a much lower cost. Elon Musk once shared that Optimus could be sold for under $20,000, cheaper than a standard sedan, thanks to the reuse of core electric vehicle technologies such as battery systems, electric motors, FSD chips, and cameras technologies Tesla has developed over more than a decade. This not only helps Tesla optimize costs, but also makes the robot more accessible and widespread compared to current robotic technologies. More importantly, Optimus is not a one-time consumer product, but a digital worker, capable of operating 24/7 without rest, strikes, or social welfare needs. Elon Musk has emphasized that, in the future, physical work will be a choice. If Tesla successfully deploys Optimus robots in its gigafactories, it will demonstrate the ability to replace manual labor, reducing production costs and increasing productivity to unprecedented levels. A crucial factor making Optimus more significant than electric vehicles is its ability to synchronize global production. While expanding the electric vehicle network depends on charging infrastructure, battery supply chains, and individual country policies, robots can be mass-produced, packaged, shipped, and deployed like electronic devices. This enables Tesla to expand the robot market more rapidly and deeply than electric vehicles, especially in countries with aging populations or severe labor shortages, such as Japan, South Korea, and many European nations. According to United Nations forecasts, by 2050, the elderly population in developed countries will account for over 25% of the global total, leading to increased demand for automation solutions and elderly care. Optimus can meet this demand, replacing workers in manual labor sectors and assisting the elderly in society. Optimus not only helps Tesla expand globally, but also has the potential to completely transform our understanding of labor economics. According to the World Economic Forum, the adoption of robots and automation could increase global GDP by 15% by 2030. This indicates that Optimus could revolutionize not just the industry but the entire global economy, initiating a labor and production revolution. With this vision, Elon Musk is not only leading Tesla in electric vehicle development, but also expanding into a promising humanoid robot market. Optimus is more important than electric vehicles, not just because of its enormous financial potential, but also because it represents Tesla's next step from an electric vehicle company to a global robotics technology company. While electric vehicles are a transportation revolution, Optimus could initiate a labor revolution, a fundamental change for human society in the near future. What advantages does Tesla have when making robots? Tesla possesses several key strategic advantages in developing the Optimus humanoid robot. which not only helps the company expand beyond the automotive industry, but also creates significant opportunities in automation and manual labor replacement. One of Tesla's biggest strengths is its ability to leverage technologies that have been developed for electric vehicles over a long period. Tesla owns a highly efficient battery system, electric motor, and AI technologies, which not only help optimize costs, but also enable the Optimus robot to operate efficiently with low production costs. Elon Musk has shared that Optimus will use Tesla's electric vehicle batteries, helping the robot operate for extended periods and save energy. Additionally, Tesla has developed electric motors for its vehicles, and these motors can be applied to Optimus, enabling the robot to operate powerfully and energy efficiently. Another crucial advantage is Tesla's AI and full self-driving FSD system, which is used to help the robot recognize its surroundings and self-learn to perform complex tasks, from manufacturing to customer service. Tesla also has a superior advantage in large-scale production capabilities, a critical factor in reducing costs and optimizing the manufacturing process. The company has demonstrated its ability to mass-produce products like electric vehicles and batteries, and this will continue to be applied to the production of Optimus robots. Elon Musk has stated that Optimus could be sold for under $20,000, a price significantly lower than current robots, thanks to the reuse of core technologies from electric vehicles and the optimization of the production process. This not only helps Tesla reduce costs, but also makes the robot more accessible and capable of mass production, thereby meeting large and diverse market demands. Furthermore, Elon Musk has also emphasized that Optimus will change the global labor economy. He believes that in the future, physical work will be a choice, meaning manual labor will no longer be mandatory, and people will be able to focus on creative or intellectual work while Optimus performs physical tasks. Although Tesla is pioneering the humanoid robot field with Optimus, the company will still face fierce competition from major players in the robotics and technology industries. One notable competitor is Boston Dynamics, a company prominent in the development of mobile robots and humanoid robots. With products like Atlas, a humanoid robot capable of moving flexibly and performing complex tasks, Boston Dynamics has demonstrated its ability to develop advanced robots. However, while Boston Dynamics has superior technology, they have not produced consumer robots with low costs like Tesla's AIM. Honda is also a potential competitor with Asimo, a humanoid robot capable of moving and performing simple tasks, although Asimo is limited in its ability to self-learn and perform complex tasks. Honda has stopped developing Asimo, but the company still has resources and experience in the robotics field that Tesla needs to monitor. Amazon, a company not only in retail but also a leader in automation, is also a formidable competitor with innovations like warehouse robots. Although Amazon has not developed a humanoid robot like Optimus, the company possesses a strong research and development team, especially in the field of automated robots and artificial intelligence, which could enable them to quickly enter the humanoid robot market when they see profit potential. Google DeepMind, with significant investments in AI and machine learning, although not yet producing humanoid robots, their AI technology could be applied to develop intelligent humanoid robots. DeepMind, a subsidiary of Google, could become a significant competitor in developing software and technology for humanoid robots. Competition between Tesla and these rivals lies not only in technology, but also in price and market accessibility. Tesla, with its large-scale production capabilities and reuse of existing technologies from electric vehicles, can reduce robot prices to an accessible level, helping Optimus achieve broad market reach. However, with strong financial resources and leading research teams, companies like Google and Amazon could quickly enter the market, focusing on optimizing AI and developing robot applications in fields such as healthcare, customer service, and manufacturing. We appreciate your contributions and hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Techno Creator family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.